Hello friends, welcome to my channel Divine Powers. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting subject. That is the magical implementation of 7777. We have 7 bodies in this physical body, and each body is connected with our 7 energy centers. Each energy center has a particular color, and all energy centers govern a particular quality. As there are 7 bodies, so there are also 7 chakras, energy centers, and each chakra is connected in a special way with its corresponding body. The first body is physical body. The physical body is controlled by the Muladhara chakra or root chakra. The color of vibration of this body or chakra is red. The quality governed by this chakra is power. This is the life force energy for the existence in this physical world. Our next second body is etheric body. The etheric body is connected with the sacral chakra. The color of vibration of this body or chakra is orange. The quality governed by this chakra is purity. Our sexual energy rises high and enhances our spiritual power. The third body is the astral body. The astral body is connected with the solar plexus chakra. The color of vibration of this body is golden yellow. The quality governed by this chakra is bliss. Our mental body. The mental body is connected with the heart chakra. The color of vibration of this chakra is green. The quality governed by this chakra is unconditional love and compassion. Next, our spiritual body. The spiritual body is connected with the throat chakra. The color of vibration of this chakra is blue. The quality governed by this chakra is peace. The cosmic body. The cosmic body is connected with the third eye chakra. The color of this chakra is indigo. And the quality governed by this chakra is divine wisdom. When our third eye opens, we get divine wisdom. The last, 7th body is the nirvanic body. The nirvanic body is connected with the crown chakra. The color of this chakra is purple. The quality governed by this chakra is ultimate truth. When our crown chakra opens, we get the power of ultimate truth. This is the reason why a body takes 13 days to leave it completely. Thanks for watching and all the very best for your spiritual journey.